volume going around the needle, right? So you pull back the needle, the material gets out of the way and goes around it. So that's your, you can pull it none or you can pull it all the way back. This is, I call the finger on the water hose. Best way I can describe it. Here's your volume, and then here's you adjusting it, fine tuning it. It doesn't take much because it only goes like that. So that's off, and that's like full blast. So it doesn't take much. And then right here, it feels like you're unscrewing it, but you're not. That's your fan width or your volume. Okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna start off at full blast. Pressure all the way up, trigger all the way up. We're gonna do a fan like this. So normal fan, straight. What pressure we're at on the machine, Brian? Steven, somebody? So it doesn't seem like much. It only goes up to 9.5 PSI. But if I start cranking with this, turn down my fan, turn down the pressure just a little bit on the hose. So we're getting a little bit more volume, believe it or not, even though less is more. Now, we can make that fan even smaller. Obviously, we don't need as much pressure there because we're getting a lot of overspray here, right? We don't want that. So say you're doing cabinets. Well, less air means, obviously, less air. So we can go bigger. Let's see how your overspray is minimal. Now, we can go on and on about that. Of course, it goes sideways too, Well, here's where this gun kind of kicks everybody else's butt. Let's say you had to do touch-up on trim.
Yeah.
Okay, game changer. Because now you can go in somebody's house and just airbrush touch-up spots. I mean, literally around my hand. There's nothing on my hand. So instead of a brush, roll, mask, pain in the ass, material, labor, and of course we can go crazy. We can get
just like anything else, a little bit of practice.
A little bit of practice, learn the machine. There's different needle sizes. So if you have a thicker material like oil, you need more area for the paint to go around.
Right.
You need a bigger needle because it's oil. This is Breakthrough, as thin as it is. With this machine in Breakthrough, about 600 to 800 square feet per gallon. No priming, no sanding. And by the way, when you go to mask off the kitchen, this guy uses it. He already has one. And he's my witness right here. He bought one for a reason. He goes, yeah, game changer.
So how much are they?
$14.25.
Okay.
That's it.
Comes with a free gun, this whole setup from Greco. That's through Greco. That's as cheap as we can get them. Literally, I'm making like $45 off that. My boss dropped him that for this week and next